on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just wanted to talk to you for a second. I'm on the highway right now, on my way to Reno, getting closer to my destination. And just wanted to say something, man. I've been on this highway just watching different areas and seeing what's going on. And you know what I realized? There's a lot of people around here in our country that's living simple, but nice and comfortable. And we get so caught up in looks and trying to impress people that we don't like, and we want to have the image of what America shows us on TV or in the media. Everybody's balling and flossing hard or whatnot, but you never see like the quiet moments. You know what I mean? Like, you see them when they flossing, but you don't see them when they struggling and when they going through what they going through. It don't seem as attractive, you know what I'm saying, to the eye if a person shows you their struggles. But I think that if we show our struggles, we show what we're going through and the steps we had to take, I think that would actually really benefit the person that's watching you or looking for advice, looking for a door to open for themselves. Like, because I don't think you can use what someone else did to the T. You have to take what that person done and that person done, and you have to put your own little twist to it. You have to, see what they did and say, okay, I probably can't do it like that because I'm in this area, but I can do it like this. You see what I'm saying? So a lot of times, man, we just don't hustle hard enough. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I made that video the other day about people asking questions that all they have to do is say, Google, can you find so-and-so for me? Google, can you give me a list of the welding supply stores near me? You know what I mean? Like, whatever. I mean, you got it in your hand, bro. Like, seriously. Like, so it kind of, it irritates me a little bit. You reach out for some free game and you already pretty much got it. And then if I tell you something simple like, hey, bro, this is what you got to do, you feel like, oh, man, that's it? Yeah, that's it. It's simple like that. You just got to keep hustling, keep knocking on the doors, keep looking for opportunities, man. It's that simple. You just got to keep knocking. It ain't like no magical trick. You gonna run around this building and then the door gonna open. Nah, man, you just gotta stay at it. You gotta stay at it. I had a guy who paid for a consultation, and he told me that he has been watching me for 2 years. I think the man said he's been watching me network and be independent and build my business and network with different people. He's been watching me. He's been watching my actions speak louder than my words, and then he made an investment and said, hey, man, I want to network with you. Hey, I want to know what you know to help me get my business off the ground, so that way I can, I don't have to hit my head, you know what I'm saying, lose a lot of money. I can just learn from your mistakes and get the game you got, and I can start somewhere positive, you know what I mean, and really get something going. So it all depends on, man, on what you want and what you want to do. But I would say this, man, you're going to have to get off your ass, bro. You're going to have to make a sacrifice. You're going to have to do something that you're not used to doing, all that good stuff, in order for you to get there, man. You got to. I mean, if you really want it, if you really, really want it, you're going to have to go without something.